Are you ready to master CapCut in minutes? Whether you're a beginner or an expert, we've got you covered. This is part of our library of quick CapCut tutorials for easy editing solutions. And now I'll show you how to make smooth mask transitions on CapCut. Now before I move into the main part of the video, if you want to elevate these transitions to the next level and make your video stand out, I recommend adding a background track and sound effects. And what this will do is really elevate the video and make these transitions pop. Now where do you get your background sounds from and the sound effects? That is where Epidemic Sound will step in. There's no need to worry about copyright claims and getting your videos taken down or anything like that with Epidemic Sound. There's a link in the description below. It's well worth checking them out if you want to take your video production to the next level. So let's get back into the main video. Now I'll show you 3 different ways how to do a smooth mask transition in CapCut, and these will elevate your videos. So first things first, I have 2 clips here that I want to smooth transition with a mask. As you can see, it's a hard cut at the moment. So what we need to do is come to the start of the second clip, what's going into a hard cut, highlight it, select video, then mask, and then we want to select the horizontal mask. Let's turn the mask 90 degrees, then take the mask off screen. You can add a feather if you wish, then add a keyframe. Now what we want to do is want to move the playhead along slightly, then bring the mask to the opposite side of the screen, but we want it off screen again. So now what you can do when you press play, as you see, the mask smoothly transitions across. So let's show you the second way. Again, get to the start of the clip, video, mask, and then we'll select horizontal again. This time, go 29 degrees, and this will go corner to corner. Bring the mask completely off the screen in the top left hand corner. Again, you can feather if you wish, add a keyframe, move the video playhead on slightly, drag the mask off to the bottom right hand corner. The keyframe should automatically be added. Then when you watch that, a perfect smooth transition. Now the third way, and one I really like, again come to the start of the video clip, video and mask. This time let's select the circle mask. Let's make the circle really small. Let's feather it again. At any point you can come back and readjust these. Let's add the keyframe. Let's play the video clip on slightly. Now let's make the circle back big, but this time let's take it all the way off screen and take the feather back down to 0. Now let's play that. Now I really like that one. Let us know in the comments which one you like the best, the first, the second or the third. But that's how to make a smooth mask transition on CapCut. But the journey doesn't end there. Dive deeper into the world of CapCut with our dedicated playlist of tutorials. Learn everything from basic edits to advanced techniques that will take your videos to the next level. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below or on screen now to start watching.